Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove bookmark in Google Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, you can open Chrome browser on your device. Okay, after that here you can click on three dots at the top right corner. And then please select bookmark option. After that here will appear several folders of your bookmark and then you can choose it. Well, here you can select the website you want to remove from a bookmark. And then, please long press on it. And then here you can click on trash icon. Okay, and then the website is successfully removed from a bookmark. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove bookmark in Google Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.